scary, but at the same time it was nerve-wracking. Then I was like, oh, I got it! It was so exciting though. So it was like, it's like when you're on a roller coaster.
And we brought the STEAM exhibit here so that we could get our kids doing science. We wanted to provide a lot of hands-on activities for them to do today so that science and math and technology come alive to them and they have experience using it.
The robotics station has these iPads and these little robots. These are line tracking robots. They're called Ozobots. We can build cars, spaceships, whatever our imagination can think of. But what I want you to do when you're building your structure is to think about building it with structural integrity. We're trying to do a lot more exhibits and activities that are kind of like, you know, we're teaching them without them knowing so much.
Put the red, put this in the red place, turn it, turn it a little.
Oh, we're almost there. Oh, we got a little bit of balance. Straighten up the bombs here. Let's straighten out the bombs.
We did it! We did it!
Well, back up and see if it works. See if it works.